Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now, after the gradients, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the changes or improvements to the typography settings or controls in Cadence Blocks 3.0. Now, if you have been following this video till now, then you must be familiar with the fact that quite a few settings have been reorganized and the UIs have been completely revamped, and that is what has been done to the typography controls or typography settings in Cadence Blocks 3.0 as well. Now to show you this change, what I have done is, again, I have the advanced button blocks in both Cadence Blocks 3.0, which is this, and Cadence Blocks 2.0, which is this. Now for the typography settings, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this block right here, and then go to the button settings right here, and you can see the font size control is here, but the font family control is here. It is far away from the related settings, right? And it can be really confusing. If you are wanting to make changes, then you do not know where the font family settings are, basically, right? Because there are quite a lot of button settings, and then you come across one single column. Basically you come across one single setting that changes the font size, but other font settings are under the head font family. That causes a lot of confusion again, right? So you can see the letter spacing is right here, text transform, which is now the new letter case, the font family, the font weight settings are right here. Now these controls have been revamped in Cadence Blocks 3.0. So let's head over to Cadence Blocks 3.0, select this block right here, this one, styles, and you can see the typography settings are here. The font size controls are something like this, right? They have variables. We'll talk about variables later in this video, but for right now, in case you want to add custom font sizes, then you can select this. In case you can click this icon, you can add the values, select the size units from here. In case not, then you can select from these variables, or for right now you can call them as the defaults that come with the Cadence blocks. Okay, so these are some of the default values that Cadence block has for you. So this is small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, 3XL, right? Then is the line height setting, which is right here, and then is the letter case. Okay, this letter case is same as the text transform. Okay, but you can see line height is a new feature, is a new setting that has been introduced. Again, you can change it responsively. You can change it according to the screen sizes. This is the menu that you will have to click, right? Font size is again something that you will be able to change using change for different screen sizes. So you can select any of the screen sizes and then set values accordingly. Then comes the font family, font weight, and letter spacing. Now this looks more organized when compared with this one, right? So you can see here, because when one setting is at one place and the other bunch of settings that are under the correct head are in a different place, and that is towards the bottom, it gets really difficult to find the settings. That has been the gist of this update, where they have tried to reorganize everything so that it is easier for users to basically find settings and use these blocks. So that is one thing that you will see. Again, the controls are somewhat like these are defaults that you can use, that these come with the button block itself, right? Then in case you want to use custom values, then you can use these custom values. You want to change line height, letter cases, just with a simple click you can change, right? The font family is right here, font weight is right here, and letter spacing is right here. Again, responsive menus are everywhere, so you can change these according to different screen sizes. You can set these according to different screen sizes, and again you can see the values right here. And if you want to see the font size, this is here. So this is basically the change for the typography controls in Cadence Blocks 3.0, where a new option, line height, has been added. Rest all of the settings have been revamped, and they have been clubbed together under the style settings, which is you can see right here. When you will click the style tab, you will find them under the typography settings. All of the settings are under it, and now from one place you will be able to make changes to these, which will make your life much more easier when using these blocks or using these controls.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.